going? Down in the sewer, stupid. Yeah. And guess what? They're not coming back out.
They're going down in the pipes. Remember when we chased that dog down in there? Yeah. Okay, you go how we went. You'll come out ahead of him, chase him back towards us. Me and Belch are gonna catch up to him. Hurry, or there'll be nothing left for you.
Go by myself, Henry?
Go by myself, Henry? Yeah, go by yourself for a dog. What are you afraid of, huh? The boogeyman? Hi, kid. I guess you're the first. Now, before you die, I want you to think about every rock you threw and everything you said. I want you to think about that before you die.
Hey, Henry?
What was that?
Belch.
God, it's not in there anymore.
Zeke the Freak. He can run physical. We're talking about 6 feet, 225. He can catch it. The next Emmitt Smith. Woo!
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping at the pilot. Be broken, be solving, but still talking that they violent. They say that they honest, some money, they say that they got it. Getting out with the kid is success and see the race. You don't wanna see it. Put up in the stars, like we out of space. Lincoln at the kind of wet to make it running out of space. Tell your homie, keep on coming out his mouth, send a song right his way. Better get a touchdown, no flag. Better get some sick.
Elliott starts right, cuts it upfield, touchdown Dallas. Elliott cuts back, Zeke, touchdown. They secure it there, and it's nobody's going to be able to stop Ezekiel Elliott at that point.
Hold up, hold up, hold up.